fluffy girls, thank you so much for tuning into Pink Fluff Empire. It's your girl Pink Fluff, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be a clean with me video, so let's get started. So these are just some flowers that I brought myself. I do buy myself flowers like every week to 2 weeks. So yeah, your girl just has been obsessed with flowers. So if you don't know, I do own my own website, Pink Fluff Empire. So y'all, make sure you shop my body butters, my liquid gold body shimmer oil, my lip gloss, lashes, everything, y'all. My products have been selling like hotcakes, so make sure you get your hands on my products. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. So right now we are just going to take everything off of my dresser, and I do hold my lotions, body mist, perfumes and everything on top of my dresser. I am going to do a DIY project on this dresser because I love it so much, but y'all, as you can see, it's kind of old. I did put the marble on the top of the dresser. Actually, my mom did it and she gave it to me, but anyway, I'm going to DIY it and make it look a little bit better. So pretty much we're just going to take everything off of the dresser and we are just going to clean and sanitize the top of the dresser. Also, we're going to go through the perfumes, lotions, body mist and everything, and just wipe those down and just make them shiny and clean, and you know how I like it, y'all. So those white pieces of paper in the background are actually little drawings that my nieces made me. My niece Hannah made me that drawing right there, and it just says, "I'm so pretty, Pink Fluff." And my other niece Angelina made me this one, and it says, "I love you, Pink Fluff." I really do love my nieces and nephews. They are my everything. So yeah, that just puts me in a good mood in the morning, and it just gives me motivation. So I just like to keep that there. So I'm just going to remove both of my perfume trays, and I am just going to spray everything down with glass cleaner and wipe it down. I also use glass cleaner to clean my actual perfumes, because y'all, if you have not tried cleaning your perfume bottles with glass cleaner, I'm telling y'all, try it today. It makes your perfume bottles just so shiny, and just y'all, just try it. I'm telling you, once I do it, you'll see the difference, and y'all, it makes the perfumes look amazing. So I'm just going to take that glass cleaner and I am going to just wipe the top of the dresser down before I put the mirror and the perfumes and everything back on top of the dresser. And you just want to make sure everything is clean before you start adding stuff. So I'm just going to take this mirror. I got this a while ago, y'all. I think I got it on Black Friday for like cheap. So yeah, I just put the mirror back on, and this little perfume tray just carries all of my travel perfume sprays. So if you have a lot of travel perfumes, y'all, I suggest that you get a perfume tray like this one. Honestly, I don't think this is a perfume tray, but that's what I use it for. And actually, I got this from Ross for $10. I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I have to have it. So I'm just going to wipe all of the travel perfumes down, and I'm just going to put everything back into the tray. So I used to keep all of my travel perfumes in actually this little YSL box. This is the black opium box that I brought like 2 years ago. So I'm just going to take those out because I never took them out when I got that makeup tray, and I don't know why. So I'm just going to take them out the box and just put them in there as well. And sometimes I do forget about my travel perfumes, so that's why I decided to get this little tray and just put everything in there, because then if I don't see it, y'all, I don't have it. If you're like that, then you're like me. If I can't see it, I don't have it. Out of sight, out of mind. So whenever I buy my perfumes, I do try to buy the gift sets, just because I feel like I get my money's worth that way. And normally the gift sets are like a couple of dollars more than just buying one perfume by itself. So I always get the gift set. So I'm just going to take out all of the perfumes in my perfume trays. And as you can see, I got this perfume tray from Ross. I thought I got it from Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but I actually got it from Ross. So it was $15 from Ross. And I'm just going to take that glass cleaner and I am going to just wipe down the inside. So I did wipe down the bottom as well and the sides off of camera. So y'all didn't see that, but I also did that as well. So now I'm just going to take this small bottle, and it has glass cleaner in it. I'm going to spray the perfume down and just wipe it down. Y'all, this is key. If you want your perfume collection to look just shiny, and just, y'all, it just makes your perfumes look 100 times better. So you see the bottle of Crush, that's Crush by Rihanna. Look how luxury, look how shiny, look how, oh my god, it just looks so beautiful. Once you spray that glass cleaner on there, y'all, and that perfume gets to shining, I'm telling y'all, you keep some glass cleaner in your house and spray down your perfumes. Y'all, thank me later. You will definitely see a difference within your perfume collection, y'all. It just looks so vibrant, so shiny, so nice. I normally do this like every 2 weeks, and you do want to sanitize your perfumes as well, because I mean, that's something that you're touching every day. So I just spray it down and just clean it up, and it just makes the perfume bottle just glisten. Y'all, do you see that shine? Like, look at that La Vie Belle. It's just shining. It looks like in the department stores, you know how like the little lights and stuff are on it, and it's just glistening and it's shining, and you just like, I don't even need to buy it, but I'm gonna buy it. That's how it's gonna make your perfumes look. So that's what I do about every 2 weeks to my perfumes. So now here comes the fun part. So now I'm just going to organize my perfumes however I want them on my perfume trays. I've already wiped them down. So I do try to keep the taller perfumes in the back and the smaller ones in the front, so you can see all of the perfumes that I do have. And I know I was not supposed to upload this video until I did my perfume haul, because now y'all know what perfumes, the new perfumes that I got in my collection. So I do upload 2 times a week on my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed, y'all, hold on, wait a second, what are you doing, girl? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, so you'll be notified anytime your girl uploads a new video. So as you can see, the perfumes just look so shiny, so neat, so clean, y'all. Everything just looks so good. So these are the perfumes that I'm not going to add on to my perfume tray. So I'm going to show y'all where I actually put these perfumes at. But I've been thinking about getting another perfume tray. Well, it's not a tray, it's like a 3-tier perfume stand. It spins around. I'll leave it linked down below so y'all can check it out. But I was thinking about getting that, but I'm like, girl, you already have enough perfumes, you're just gonna buy some more. So this is where I keep my fine fragrance mist, my perfumes that cannot fit on my perfume tray, perfumes that I'm just trying to get rid of, body mist I'm trying to get rid of, my lotions, my body oils, and stuff like that. This just carries everything. So I'm just gonna take everything off, and I'm also just going to organize it nice and neat. I'm gonna wipe this down. I don't know where I got this from, because my mom actually got it for me, so she gave it to me because she didn't need it, and I just decided to use that just to put my lotions and stuff on. So I'm just going to take that off, and I'm also going to clean that. Y'all, I have like miscellaneous stuff in there as well, so it was definitely time to just clean that out. So we are just going to take everything out. So I do put like my fragrance mist and perfumes that I need to use, and I'm just like ready to use them up, and I just need to get rid of them. So I do normally just put them in here, but I actually decided to take out 4 perfumes and body mist that I am just ready to get rid of and I'm ready to use, and I actually put them by my perfume tray, which you will see later on in the video. So right now I'm just going to clean the surface, because you just want to make sure you start off with a clean surface before you start to put everything back in its place. So I'm just going to do the same thing with the fragrance mist as I did with the perfumes on my perfume tray. So I'm just going to spray that glass cleaner, and I'm going to wipe it down, and y'all, you will see that bottle is going to shine, baby. Do you see that shine? Like, for real, do you see that shine? So if you do have a big fragrance mist collection, you can do the same thing. Just spray it down with some glass cleaner, and y'all, it's going to shine. So this perfume, I actually decided to move on to my perfume tray. I was going to sell this, but I decided to keep it because honestly, y'all, people were trying to buy this perfume for like dirt cheap, and I just was not having it. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to keep it because I did spend a lot of money on that perfume. I brought it for my birthday, and If I would have known what I know now, I would not have spent as much as I did on that perfume. But you live and you learn, so it is what it is. So I'm just going to place the lotions at the top, and on the bottom I'm just going to place my fragrance mist and my perfumes. So how I actually set this up, I put the body sprays that I'm really not trying to use at the back, and I put the ones that I need to use at the front, so I'll just gravitate towards those a little bit more. And like I told y'all, I am an out of sight, out of mind type of person, so with whatever I see first, I'm going to use first. So I'm just going to put like my little small perfumes at the top. And also, y'all, I do have some empty perfume bottles that I am saving for a YouTube video, so I'm just going to put those at the top. And once I do that video, I am going to throw them away. So as you can see, our fragrance mist, perfumes, body lotions are just shining. So I do use the glass cleaner to clean the body lotions as well and just make them shiny. So as you can see on the side, those are just perfumes and fragrance mist that I just need to get rid of. So I just put those right there so I can just remember to use those so I can get rid of them. Oh, surprise! I have a bonus for y'all. So this is how my room looks before we actually started this video and I started cleaning. So this video was actually supposed to be a organize and clean my purse and shoe video, but then I was like, you know what, let me make the perfumes the star of the show because y'all really like perfumes. So I'm just going to add this as a bonus. So pretty much I am just going to clean this part of my room and just get it nice, neat, and organized. Okay, normally my nieces come over and they do this for me because they like cleaning out like my closet and stuff like that. They just like to clean my room, y'all. I don't know why, but they really do. But they were not here, so I was like, let me do a clean with me video or whatnot. So I just have some snacks, y'all. I do keep snacks in my room and I keep them on the side of my bed. Not a good habit, but now they are moved and they are not on the side of my bed anymore. And I do have healthy snacks, y'all. Okay, I have almonds and stuff, all right? So I'm just going to place the snacks back into the, I don't even know what this is, y'all. But anyway, I'm just going to put the snacks in there and I am just going to organize them. So just a little side note, y'all. That little stain on the side of my pants is actually not a stain at all. I was washing my hands and I didn't have any paper towels. So yeah, before I put my gloves on, I wash my hands. So yeah, so now I'm just going to listen to some music, y'all. I love listening to music while I clean. So I'm just going to take everything off of this stand. And y'all, as you can see, I keep my products on deck. That's my body butter, my liquid gold body shimmer. It will be available down below in the description box. I did have a lot of fragrance boxes, so I just put those to the side. And pretty much I'm just going to clear this whole thing off so I can just organize it and see what I'm going to keep. And that little bucket, I just keep all of my little small things that I need to haul. So I do plan on doing a small black-owned business haul. Again, I'm just waiting on a couple of more companies to send out my orders, and I will be doing another haul video for y'all. So pretty much the shoes that I know are going to get filthy, dirty, and collect dust, I keep them inside of the box. So those shoes both are suede shoes, so I keep them inside of the box. So pretty much I'm just cleaning everything off. And y'all, I had a bunch of stuff on there that honestly did not go right there, and as you can see, I'm just going to clean everything off before I actually start placing everything back on. So on the top shelf, I do like to keep like my purses and everything. On the second shelf, I keep my black shoes. The third shelf, I keep my brown shoes. And the bottom shelf, I just keep like my colorful shoes or shoes that I just don't know where to put them at. I always put them on the bottom. But y'all, I have a lot of shoes and purses. I also have some in my closet, which is a mess right now. So pretty much I just moved this little stand and I'm just going to sweep because y'all, I have not done that in a while. So yes, sis, we are taking the Dollar Tree disinfecting wipes. Yes, I said Dollar Tree. They do the same exact thing that the Lysol wipes do. They kill the same amount of germs and bacteria. So we're just going to wipe everything down with these wipes. But I like to use these wipes because we are dealing with the bottom of like your shoes and stuff, and you just want to make sure you disinfect everything. Some of these shoes, as you can see, I did put some shoes on my bed. Those are shoes I've never worn before a day in my life. The other shoes, I did put them on the floor. So we're just going to disinfect the stand before we put the shoes back on there. So because we don't want dust to just pile up, I am going to go in with the Everspring spray, and I'm just going to spray it down and wipe everything down again. So here comes the fun part. We get to organize our handbags. I did dust off all of the handbags and shoes before I placed them back onto the shelf. And I think I did that off of camera, but yeah. So y'all, I do use all of these purses. Some of them I haven't worn, but a lot of them I have. But if you follow me on Instagram, then you've definitely seen me wear these purses. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, sis, hold on, what you doing, y'all? Go ahead and follow me at I am Pink Fluff. Y'all already know. I'm going to begin to place all of my shoes back on our little stand. And pretty much how I like to do it, I wish I would have gotten a little closer up. I like to put one facing forward, the other one facing backwards, because this just gives me more room on my stand. I do have a good bit of shoes. So yeah, so this is how everything turned out. I really do like it. I wish I would have gotten more footage of the bottom, but I didn't. But y'all, this is how everything looks. Very nice, neat, and clean. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment. And if you have not subscribed, y'all, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning into Pink Fluff Empire. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. And don't forget to subscribe, y'all.